Billions of years ago, our planet was a canvas of raw, untamed forces. Life emerged, thrived, and eventually returned to the Earth. Deep beneath the surface, a silent transformation began, setting the stage for a resource that would shape civilizations. This is the story of crude oil, a substance both vital and enigmatic. It fuels our vehicles, powers our industries, and forms the basis of countless products we use daily. Yet, its journey from ancient organic matter to modern marvel is a complex tale, often misunderstood. Our journey begins in ancient seas, where microscopic marine life, like plankton and algae, flourished in abundance. As these organisms completed their life cycles, their remains drifted down, settling on the ocean floor. Over vast stretches of geological time, layers of sediment, like sand and mud, began to accumulate. These layers piled up, bearing the organic-rich deposits deeper and deeper beneath the Earth's surface. Trapped beneath immense weight and subjected to rising temperatures, a remarkable transformation occurred. The organic matter slowly cooked, first into a waxy substance called kerrigan, then into liquid crude oil and natural gas. This newly formed oil and gas then migrated through porous rocks, seeking pathways upwards. Eventually, it became trapped beneath impermeable rock layers, forming vast underground reservoirs, awaiting discovery. With these hidden treasures formed, the next challenge is finding them. This begins with sophisticated exploration. Geologists use seismic surveys and advanced mapping to pinpoint potential oil and gas deposits deep below the surface. Once a promising site is identified, massive drilling rigs are deployed, both on land and offshore. These towering structures are engineering marvels, designed to penetrate thousands of feet into the Earth's crust. An animation illustrates the intricate process of drilling, as the drill bit grinds through rock layers, inching closer to the reservoir. Once the oil is reached, specialized pumping mechanisms bring the crude to the surface. Here, initial separation occurs, dividing the crude oil from natural gas and water. The extracted crude oil then embarks on another journey, transported across vast distances. Giant oil tankers traverse oceans, while trains and trucks carry it over land, delivering it to refineries. Upon arrival at a refinery, crude oil is far from its final usable form. It's a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, each with different boiling points. The refining process begins with fractional distillation, a crucial step. Crude oil is heated, turning into vapor, which then rises through the column. Different hydrocarbons condense at specific temperatures, separating into distinct products like gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. But the process doesn't stop there. Heavier fractions often undergo further transformation. Cracking breaks down large, complex molecules into smaller, more valuable ones, like those found in gasoline. Reforming rearranges molecular structures to improve fuel quality and create petrochemical feeds. Finally, various treatment processes remove impurities like sulfur, ensuring the products meet environmental and quality standards. The refined products are then stored in vast tanks, ready for distribution and use. From these tanks, crude oil's derivatives power our world in countless ways. Gasoline and diesel fuel our daily commutes, global trade, and air travel. Beyond fuel, crude oil is the fundamental building block for plastics. From packaging to clothing, plastics are indispensable in modern life. Petrochemicals derived from oil are also crucial for pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. They enable life-saving medicines and enhance our daily well-being. In agriculture, oil-based fertilizers and pesticides boost crop yields, feeding a growing global population. And let's not forget asphalt for our roads, lubricants for machinery, and countless other industrial uses. However, the widespread use of crude oil comes with significant environmental challenges. Oil spills devastate ecosystems, and the emissions from burning fossil fuels contribute to climate change. This has spurred a global shift towards renewable energy sources. Innovation in solar, wind, and other sustainable technologies offers a path to a greener future. Efforts to mitigate environmental damage and develop sustainable alternatives are more critical than ever. From ancient oceans to modern applications, crude oil's journey is a testament to Earth's power and human ingenuity. It plays a complex role, balancing our energy needs with environmental responsibility. The challenge ahead is to embrace sustainable practices and foster innovation for a brighter, cleaner future.